Welcome to today's episode of Daily AI Brief. We're diving into the latest groundbreaking developments in the AI world. From game changing image generation models to strategic mergers shaping the tech landscape, we've got a packed show for you. So, grab your headphones and get ready to explore the forefront of artificial intelligence. Let's get started. Are you ready for next level image generation? Google DeepMind has just introduced Vision Banana, their latest offering in AI driven visual computation. This innovation sets new benchmarks and is expected to transform sectors like autonomous driving and medical imaging. So, what exactly is Vision Banana? Think of it as a sophisticated image generator that doesn't just create visuals, but does so with precision in segmentation and depth estimation tasks. Building on the Nano Banana Pro (NBP) model, Vision Banana expands its capabilities using a wider array of vision task data, outperforming specialized models like the Segment Anything Model 3 (SAM3) and the Depth Anything series. Dropping some technical knowledge, Vision Banana uses an instruction-tuned architecture built on the foundations of Nano Banana Pro. It integrates existing training data with additional vision tasks focusing on real-time image processing. Optimized for segmentation and depth estimation, it leverages advanced AI techniques for enhanced visual interpretation, making it apt for applications such as autonomous systems and medical imaging. The model is specifically designed to perform in environments requiring rapid response, crucial for real-time applications. Regarding metrics, while the exact benchmarks remain a bit hazy, Vision Banana is reportedly achieving state-of-the-art performance levels in segmentation and depth tasks, even surpassing the likes of SAM3. Improvements in visual quality and processing speed are claimed, although specifics are still under wraps. For instance, the model could potentially offer a 20% increase in processing speed compared to its predecessors, though these numbers await further validation. On to the trade-offs. The full potential of Vision Banana's metrics is not yet disclosed, so its generalization across tasks remains to be validated. Moreover, the future could vary based on specific application requirements, which means more real-world testing is needed to truly gauge its effectiveness. Developers will need to consider these factors when integrating the model into diverse scenarios. If you're eager to dive in, check out this week's practical exploration options. Start with reading their official paper on Arxiv to get a detailed understanding of the model. Head over to Google DeepMind's official page for even more insights, and then check Google Blog's archive on Nano Banana 2 for historical context. In conclusion, Vision Banana heralds a new era in AI-driven visual interpretation, opening doors for innovative applications across industries. By leveraging an expansive training dataset and cutting-edge architecture, it is poised to redefine image generation standards and inspire future advancements in the field. How does a $20 billion merger impact the AI landscape? Cohere, a Canadian AI startup, and Aleph Alpha from Germany are joining forces in a strategic move to bolster AI capabilities in Europe. This merger could position the new entity as a formidable player against US tech giants. Here's what's happening. The merger between Cohere and Aleph Alpha is designed to create a powerful AI entity capable of operating in highly regulated sectors such as finance, healthcare, and defense. With significant backing from Schwartz Group through a €500 million investment in Cohere, this merger aims to assert sovereignty in the European AI market. Let's break down the tech. Aleph Alpha is known for its Luminous model, which uses generative pre-trained transformers, while Cohere specializes in large language models for enterprise applications. Together, they focus on integrating self-supervised learning techniques, leveraging German universities' R&D resources, and establishing robust cloud infrastructure for AI applications. In terms of numbers, the merger is valued at approximately $20 billion, positioning it as a powerful transatlantic AI powerhouse. The combined efforts target regulatory sectors, reinforcing their strategic presence against competitors like OpenAI and Anthropic. However, jumping into the union ain't all smooth sailing. Regulatory approvals could delay the final merger. Competing with established US AI firms is no easy feat, and the integration of operations between the two cultures requires careful navigation. For those curious about this alliance's implications, consider exploring the concepts of sovereign AI solutions in Europe through various research papers and platforms. Monitor regulatory developments related to this merger as they might impact the AI market significantly. In summary, the merger between Cohere and Aleph Alpha is a strategic move towards establishing a stronger, more independent AI ecosystem in Europe, potentially reshaping the global tech landscape. Technical and strategic insights. Delving deeper into the technical synergies, the integration will likely involve merging Cohere's expertise in creating scalable enterprise-grade AI with Aleph Alpha's advancement in generative transformers. Cohere's models prioritize enterprise applications, which demand high precision and customization, a key differential in regulated industries. Similarly, Aleph Alpha's Luminous model utilizes cutting-edge transformer architecture designed to process vast datasets effectively, highlighting its potential in handling complex regulatory demands in finance and healthcare sectors. Practical steps and implications. The practical roadmap involves deploying a robust cloud infrastructure tailored for AI applications, emphasizing data compliance and privacy, critical factors in Europe. By collaborating with key academic institutions like TU Darmstadt, they aim to drive AI innovations that are deeply rooted in core scientific research. The integration of self-supervised learning is expected to enhance autonomous AI capabilities, reducing reliance on labeled datasets and broadening the scope of AI's real-world applications. Hashtag challenges and milestones. A key challenge remains in synchronizing operations across Germany and Canada, addressing potential cultural and operational barriers. The success of this merger will hinge on aligning strategic visions, operational frameworks, and potentially differing corporate cultures. Additionally, the leadership dynamics and decision-making processes in the combined entity will be crucial in guiding the newly formed powerhouse through competitive landscapes dominated by American tech firms. These intricate dynamics underscore why monitoring regulatory developments and strategic execution will be paramount in assessing the merger's success. In conclusion, the Cohere and Aleph Alpha merger represents a defining moment for European AI sovereignty, likely shaping future transatlantic tech collaborations and setting a benchmark in a rapidly evolving industry. Imagine handling a million-token context window in real-time inference. That's what DeepSeek's new V4 models, DeepSeek V4 Pro and DeepSeek V4 Flash, are achieving with unprecedented capabilities in long-context inference. What's new with DeepSeek V4? Released on April 24, 2026, these models mark a significant upgrade with their ability to process extensive contexts, a crucial feature for advanced reasoning and coding tasks. The V4 Pro model comes loaded with 1.6 trillion parameters, while the V4 Flash model boasts 284 billion, all designed within a mixture of experts, MOE framework, to optimize inference by activating only necessary parameters. Drilling into the tech, these models use MOE architecture to efficiently manage computation by activating specific parameter subsets. They address memory consumption challenges by being compatible with NVIDIA Blackwell architecture, enhancing performance and allowing API integrations for seamless developer utility. The activation of only a fraction of total parameters increases efficiency, reducing computational costs and energy use. But what do the numbers say? The V4 Pro leads with 1.6 trillion parameters, significantly more than prior benchmarks, and both models extend to handling up to 1 million tokens. The early performance reviews suggest potential improvements in complex tasks, but these require third-party validation. This context capacity is particularly transformative for applications such as AI-driven legal document analysis or extensive coding environments where context is king. On the flip side, questions arise around the performance benchmarks when compared to competitors like OpenAI's GPT 5.2 and Google's Gemini 3.0 Pro. Ethical concerns around model distillation and hardware dependencies also loom. DeepSeek's reliance on Huawei raises both strategic and geopolitical considerations. This partnership might offer cost advantages, but also engenders skepticism about future-proofing and independence from established hardware ecosystems. To explore further, access DeepSeek's API documentation for real-world application demos and leverage NVIDIA's site for integration insights. Developers should delve into these tools with a focus on long context capabilities to push the boundaries of current applications. They can engage with the model's open source platform to run personal benchmarks, ensuring the claims align with practical use cases. In brief, DeepSeek's V4 models signal a leap forward in AI capabilities for processing deep contextual information, setting the stage for widespread advances in AI functionality. Imagine translating complex code bases into interactive knowledge graphs for better code management. That's the power of GitNexus, a new open source tool for AI assisted coding. At its core, GitNexus is an open source knowledge graph engine designed to transform intricate code structures into visually comprehensive maps. This capability provides enhanced contextual understanding for developers by indexing functions, dependencies, call chains, and execution flows, thus facilitating tasks like impact analysis, process tracing, and cross-module dependency audits. The beauty of GitNexus lies in its ability to operate entirely locally, negating the need for server infrastructure and ensuring privacy, especially critical for proprietary code bases. Delving into its technical mechanics, GitNexus employs TreeSitter for parsing code across various programming languages, including TypeScript, JavaScript, Python, Java, C, C++, C#, Go, and Rust. This parsing capability allows it to break down and understand the intricacies of different languages, converting them into knowledge graphs stored in KuzuDB, a graph database optimized for such operations. The reliance on local operation not only bolsters privacy, but assures that developers aren't dependent on internet connectivity, which can often lead to latency issues. Speaking of numbers, while GitNexus does not specify exact latency figures, its local operation inherently minimizes delay and offers real-time interaction. It's available as a free tool, thereby reducing barriers to entry for developers looking to integrate it into their workflows. Its design ensures that it supports a vast range of programming environments without any mentioned performance degradation, even as it runs on local machines. However, like any new technology, GitNexus faces certain challenges. The tool's effectiveness in larger, more complex code bases hasn't been fully established. There's also uncertainty about the extent of community adoption and the availability of sustained support. Integrating seamlessly with existing AI coding tools like Cursor and Claude Code in diverse environments remains a work in progress, with potential issues like incomplete indexing or integration challenges possibly affecting performance. For developers eager to take GitNexus for a test drive, the process is straightforward. Start by visiting the GitNexus official blog, verge.io/en/blog/GitNexus code knowledge graph UDEM source OpenA to gather more information. You can clone the GitNexus repository from GitHub and utilize the command line interface to index your code base, generating a knowledge graph. This allows you to visualize and analyze your code in ways that weren't possible before, potentially transforming your approach to coding audits and quality assurance. In essence, GitNexus introduces a novel approach to understanding and managing code bases, combining local processing with profound insights into the structure and dependencies of code. This tool not only sets the stage for reduced coding errors and enhanced developer productivity, but also demonstrates the potential of AI-assisted coding tools in evolving the programming landscape. Shane Eleniak, Chief Product Officer at Calix, elaborates on the transformative role of AI in the telecommunications sector, focusing on enhancing operational efficiency and subscriber experiences. His recent insights delve into how the Calix One platform integrates AI into broadband service offerings, providing significant advantages for communications service providers. #AI impact on telecommunications. Calix has taken a proactive stance in embedding AI technologies into their services. As of February 2026, their agentic AI platform, Calix One, is utilized by about 500 of their 1,500 ISP customers. This platform focuses on identifying subscribers' unmet needs and anticipates behavior shifts to optimize service delivery. It offers real-time data insights necessary for effective decision-making without necessitating a complete overhaul of existing legacy systems. Technical aspects of Calix. 1. The Calix One platform merges appliances, innovative cloud software, and AI-powered agents. It's built on Google Cloud's robust AI infrastructure, which ensures secure deployments and manages services efficiently. This architecture empowers developers to create tailored, AI-driven applications specifically geared for broadband services, enhancing functionality and service outcomes. Hashtag adoption and market reach. The deployment of Calix 1 among 500 ISPs represents a notable adoption within a competitive market. These numbers underscore the platform's influence and potential as a leading tool in modern telecommunications. However, while specific performance metrics remain undisclosed, the adoption rate suggests substantial confidence in Calix's AI capabilities. Challenges and complexities. The integration of AI with existing systems inherently brings challenges. The exact depth and benefits of integration remain partially opaque. Furthermore, the competitive landscape, characterized by other providers also embracing AI, adds complexity to Calix's market positioning. Additionally, the lack of detailed performance improvements or ROI metrics post-adoption could be hurdles in convincing new customers. Exploring Calix's innovations. For those interested in Calix's AI initiatives, exploring their platform through Calix's official website provides insights into its extensive functionalities. Developers can leverage Calix's APIs to integrate and enhance broadband applications. Reviewing their latest press releases will also offer updates on advancements and strategic direction. #TARB, the future of AI in telecommunications. Calix stands as a model for integrating AI into telecommunications, fundamentally reshaping service provider operations and subscriber interactions. As AI continues to evolve, it remains crucial for companies like Calix to address challenges and optimize the potential for increased operational efficiency and subscriber loyalty. Future developments will likely set new industry standards for AI integrations, prompting broader investments and continued innovation within the sector. Imagine radically enhancing the reliability and efficiency of AI models by slashing reliability failures by 70%. That's precisely what the new weighted best-of-n sampling method promises. Unveiled by researcher Hung-Gu Roh in his pivotal paper, this technique fundamentally redefines decision-making tasks by fine-tuning how AI models assess and choose between multiple options. The essence of this innovative approach lies in its strategic methodology, outlined in Roh's recent publication, which introduces best-of-mini-n in-loop sampling. This method ingeniously partitions the generation budget into sequential loops, employing a contextual quality reward model to judiciously distinguish between choices that are better and those that are simply good enough. The clarity this model brings to option evaluation is unprecedented, allowing AI systems to function with heightened decision-making precision. Technically, the method's mechanics involve segmenting the computational budget into loops, integrating an adaptive inference strategy combined with calibrated early exit conditions. This flexibility allows the model to dynamically assess when enough information has been gathered, optimizing computational resource allocation. Moreover, the model augments preference data by incorporating outside option data, utilizing discrete choice models, thereby significantly elevating the reliability of sampling across a broad array of AI applications. Statistically, the empirical results speak volumes. The research indicated a dramatic 70% reduction in reliability failures and a 22% enhancement in inference speed. This was particularly notable within the confines of the IMDb sentiment task, a litmus test scenario that underscores practical implications for real-world AI applications. However, adopting this method does come with caveats. While the immediate numbers are promising, the broader applicability of the technique and potential computational overhead during training necessitate caution. It is crucial to conduct extensive empirical testing across varied domains to confirm the method's applicability beyond initial settings like the IMDb sentiment task. An in-depth understanding can be gained by reviewing the /.org/abs2408.03314, which provides comprehensive insights into the methodology. Implementing the best-of-n sampling technique in existing AI models can also offer valuable metrics for future evaluations. In conclusion, the weighted best-of-n sampling method harbors great potential to enhance AI decision-making processes, potentially leading to more robust and efficient outcomes across diverse contexts. As research continues, this promising methodology could become a cornerstone in the quest for advanced, reliable AI systems. That's a wrap for today's episode of Daily AI Brief. We've seen the cutting-edge innovations shaping AI's future and the strategic moves reshaping the tech landscape. Thank you for tuning in. Stay curious, stay informed, and we'll catch you on the next wave of AI developments. Until then, keep exploring.